Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of mechanical watches. This is your ultimate guide to understanding how a mechanical watch works. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The power source. This is the power source of a quartz watch. And this is the power source of a mechanical watch. It's called mainspring. This is called mainspring barrel. This is the main plate. Chapter 2. The gear train. Escape wheel. Second wheel. Third wheel. Center wheel. Jewel bearing. A movement of the mainspring barrel drives the gear train. Chapter 3. Winding the mainspring. Crown wheel. Ratchet wheel. Click spring. Click lever. Winding the mainspring is driving the gear train. But the gears and hands still turn uncontrolled. Chapter 4. The escapement. This is the pallet fork. Winding the mainspring is not driving the gear train anymore. The mainspring is now able to save the energy. By moving the pallet fork manually, the second hand is moving stepwise. Chapter 5. The balance. Impact jewel, balance wheel, hairspring also known as a balance spring. The impact jewel of the balance wheel rests between the forks. The tension of the mainspring drives the balance wheel and the gear train. Slow motion. The balance wheel rotates with 21,600 amperes per hour, 6 steps per second. Thanks for watching.